what I can detect is the useful ones, right? I can detect what I can actually derive strings at terminals from, and I'll subtract that from all the non-terminals and get the useless ones. A lot of people are also worried about reachable ones, but I actually didn't ask for reachable ones. That's the other typical question I ask. But a lot of you solved it as useful and reachable. But you actually all you had to do was solve that it was useful.
But if it's not reachable, how can it be?
My definition of useful just said, does it derive a string of terminals? Can it derive a string of terminals?
Yeah, every grammar.
You have a more practical definition of useful. The big thing is these algorithms need some kind of iteration. Right? They're all iterative over the productions. You process the productions if they don't get any change. So some people try to come up with non-iterative algorithms, and I didn't believe them typically. I don't think it's really possible, actually. So that's kind of the first thing I was looking for. Is you want to iterate, while there's change. And again, there's many different ways to specify this. I wasn't looking for this particular solution. This is just what I had written down here. Now I iterate over all productions. The key point, which most of you, of course, had, was if the right-hand side consists of only terminals for non-terminals in useful. My notation here is not very good. Right, this is a variable name here, right? It's this set that I initialized to empty. So I'll put it in quotes, I guess. But if the right-hand side consists of only terminals or non-terminals that we know already somehow are useful, then we know the left-hand side is useful, right? So then, if the left-hand side is not in useful, add the left-hand side useful and make change equal to true. So I found a new useful one. This is going to control this outer loop. That's the guts of it, right? I just keep doing this until I make a full iteration and don't learn anything new. People are straining to read my scrawl on the board. Is there a particular word that's got you baffled?
I was trying to get on
This one?
the one.
Okay, so if the right-hand side consists of only terminals or non-terminals in useful, okay? So once I get done with that, then I can iterate over all non-terminals. If not in useful, everything that can't be found to be useful, that's the useless stuff. Questions?
The production that you brought up on my homework, capital A goes to little a, capital A.
So a lot of people, not being 3 or 4 people, tried to say that they're gonna compute first sets. Right? So the idea was to compute first sets, and if the first doesn't contain any terminal symbols, that it must be useless, which I think is true. That's true. But then I countered with this production. I have that production in my grammar. Isn't it the case that the first set calculation will report A being in the first set of big A? Even though if there's no other production for A, this is useless.
I guess I didn't really understand your definition of useless, because I thought in that case, A could derive a non-terminal, but it doesn't stop. I didn't see that as being part of the definition.
No, I'm just saying that this, you said it was useless if and only if the first set was empty. I'll give you one direction there, but not the other direction. I'm saying you will miss useless stuff, because this will come up as having something in the first set. You won't record it as useless, therefore, but it is useless.
I don't understand why it's useless. That's sort of my question.
Because it can never derive a string of only terminal symbols.
Oh, I see. I wasn't thinking about it deeply enough.
Useless is non-terminal symbols which can never derive a string of only terminal symbols.
I think I was thinking of it as couldn't derive a string including any. I didn't have it quite right. But close but no cigar.
But I gave you credit for the, because you had an iterative algorithm, I gave you partial credit, actually. Because you, by doing first, you implied there was a need to do an iterative algorithm. So I did. I'm getting soft as the semester goes on, perhaps. Not that soft. All right, so